get what I say, I try to find a spot to go eat some food today. When the boy them is it. Right now we're traversing through the trial area into Lucea, Hanover. Hanover is the smallest parish in Jamaica, founded in November 12, 1723. May I tell you, from the 18th century, Lucea has been a very booming economy. From the exporting of banana and logwood to the modern day hustling of eyelashes, wigs, clothes and boat. And like Cindy say, if you're lucky and dig the right place, you just might find some gold. That clock tower has been there since 1817, located in the town center, right next to the old courthouse. So I chop out of Lucea now and I head down to Negril, brother. Yeah, I try to get some drone shots in the sunset and radam. Me run up in a squad with them to Ratty George. The man them slap me with one 12 grand ticket, Fear I got 91 in the 50 zone. Hey, a Johnny, a 12-year-old, It's a good thing the man them never looking at the back seat and ask me for the pick me them age. Cause me never have a car seat. You know what I mean? That would have be 17 grand in a squaddy pocket in a one day. A joke business. You know what I mean? But hey, wanna tell me, what wanna think about them some of them new traffic laws that the government bring in? You know what I mean? I pay foolishness, Like one night I see all one squaddy the 201 next squaddy. You know what I mean? Oh, me no see him get no ticket. Joke business. Watch your boy Asaph run our backseat. Man can't sleep, it's a shame. You say from the man a baby as in going in the car and start the engine. Alone bungie. Jaja. Yeah. So we reach. Don't Ivan, you know what I mean?
This time the boys them go rate the food. Because we already know say food at 10.
Yeah.
So let's see what their taste buds says.
Ivan's restaurant in Negril. Beautiful place, man. You get me? Youth them enjoying them time down here, especially Asaph. You see it, a female strong. Busy over there, so I take all kind of shots. You get me I deal with, but Ivan's great place. We ate here a few times before. Great food, you know what I mean? Because of my son's birthday, I just start. Well, his birthday gone already still, but belated. I just thought I would take him out since I wasn't here in Jamaica for his birthday. You get me I deal with. So, we just bring out the boss. You get me I deal with. Come enjoy some time with us. You see, love his sunset. Beautiful sunset in our background. You see it? Yeah, man. See boss here, feel strong. You know what I mean? Female strong. Him we celebrate. Although he face lag like her.
Ivan's is a beautiful property located on the cliffs of West End. Very popular for tourists. Perfect for a romantic dinner, family dinner.
True,
and if you are an early eater like myself, then it is good for breakfast too.
I love breakfast in a bed, man.
You can always just chill by the bar or relax on one of those nice cozy chairs by the cliffside and have your favorite drink.
The bar, nice if it's true. A true thing.
And if you are someone who is not interested in the quiet and relaxing lifestyle, then Rick's Cafe is just right next door. Yeah, man. We all are the hot girls and dolly them. Pay that shot are going over there, so.
Yeah, well, you can go over there, so go dash out.
But you can see for yourself though, right? That Ivan's is indeed a beautiful property.
Gorgeous.
And to top it off, the food is amazing.
Hey, we not go back a place go eat more than one time if food not good enough. Food nice, bad man. Big up the chef.
Yeah. The chicken pumpkin soup was good, and it comes with your meal.
Soup nice for sure.
Yeah, so if you are that person who always full of gas, like Greg, no worries. I must got you covered.
Sure.
The wait time is standard because most of the meals are done to order.
Yeah, regular restaurant.
Yeah. So we just want bill and play some chess to kill the time. And as usual, I join the bus we ask. Girl, I play chess like draft.
It be because I first bad play.
I had medium well done steak and rice with a pina colada. I love pina colada, so that's a 10, no question. The steak was okay. Without the salt, well, when I had the steak at the starting, I didn't really fancy it. I would give it like a 7 or 8, and it was under seasoned. So I put the salt on it, and it tastes nice with the sauce, so that's a 10. The rice is okay. The rice wasn't too soft or too tough. It was good.
It's not a first impression of the place again because we've been here like this is our third time here. So wanna know so the place is beautiful and all of that already, right? But the customer service today was very good. Nicolette, that's her name? I think
Yes.
it's Nicolette. Yeah. She served us very well. The food now, I had the coconut chicken with mashed potato as usual. I don't know, I don't like rice. So mashed potato, and it was good. It's my first coconut chicken, and it's different. I'm not a coconut person, but it was good. The sauce and stuff, once you put the sauce on it, it gives a difference. So perfect.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how you score it?
I don't know if the Ivan's at 10 already and I go around and come round. It's always 10. Yes.
Yeah, so the food, 10 out of 10. Love it. Tastes good. And it's a lot. It can fill you up for like at least a few hours.
Yeah, so I got curry goat and mashed potatoes, you know what I mean? Curry goat, slap whack. No play, no pun intended, you know what I mean? Curry goat did well wicked. I score my curry goat at a 10. It was well seasoned. The mashed potato, creamy, nice, you know what I mean? The only thing I would say was that the vegetable was a bit hard, but not to worry. It's Ivan. I still score them at a 10. Great food.
Can't go
You
wrong
know what I
with it.
mean? Can't wait to come back and enjoy some food. Remember, you know, like and share
To get the
thing
thing
out
out
there.
there.
You know what I mean? Blessed love.
Yes.
Like a drug so high. In the air tonight. Take over your mind. Let it hypnotize. Feel it in your skin. Slowly it begins. Like a drug so high.
We reach home.
Yeah. But there, man, you know, say, as me there, so I pack out the cupboard with the food. Canada, the only place I go see food on sale, you know.
Hey,
Only place.
$1 for one case of water
One
in
case of
Canada.
water
Can you
for
believe
$1
it?
Canadian dollar. You can believe that?
$1.
A $10 fee in Jamaica, sometimes 15 Canadian. Just not a real place, man. A joke business.
Jamaica for rich people. Eh?
Just for some people.
Yeah. Jamaica is for rich people. Not for poor people, and a poor people something at all.